I don't know whether the light. Okay, she has already seen. So let's go and give our grandma our gift. Yeah, kai kaku. Kare. Kai kaku ya kadura wani kabikende ne. Dura.
Nagwade.
Oh, dura kala kende ne. Kai kaku, ikaku.
No, do ta ko ni la ko ni.
Ya dura wani. Oh, no, sire. Bueno, atre ya mno. Ule ko mai ke. Ule ko. Utomba. Ayo. Ade, de una ro me te bu ade ra wa re. Nó mẹ ơi. Ta để là số gì? Cái gì vậy? Kayo, ende ayore mbere. Ayore. Te wisi kake ya kende top to ana itu. Kaka ana itu. Ndabwe kirao.
Matamu.
Eyo matamu.
Agolo raido.
Eyo baba.
Ikitamu.
Ayo makuruma.
Edo medo rai. Are deu kaya ndani are uene. Are na mo.
Pena mwangi kuno tumbo kera are ore. Ana wisasa. Ekana arire.
Deu mone kere uare. Eto ro mone. Na mbeze dia.
Ka. Ooh. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. This is nice. Good afternoon, guys. Oh my god, I love the lighting. Oh my goodness. Good afternoon, guys. Good morning, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. My name is Nana. If it's your first time here, kindly do not forget to subscribe. And by the way, subscribing is so much free. And to all my returning subscribers, oof. And like I said, I'll be welcoming you guys like this. Hi, guys, because of my nails. Anyway, to all my returning subscribers, man, I love you. I love you so much, guys. So yes, if you've watched my previous video or even from the caption, you already know where I am. And you can see this is just our compound. So I'm just in the village. I'm still in the village. I have to show you around, guys. I've not even started. Like, this is my day 2 here. And you know from my previous video what we did. We did surprise my mom, and she was so excited. She was really happy. Let me just say that she was really happy. She was like, "Oh my God, thank you, God bless you," and all that. And yes, I take the blessings, mother. Bring the blessings. So today is day 2. I woke up in the morning. I made some breakfast for my grandma. And then lights went off again. Like, these lights keep on misbehaving. They are not even funny anymore, by the way. They're not even funny anymore. They keep misbehaving. So they went off, and then they came. My phone went off again, so I could not record my me surprising my grandma with her present, with her gift. But they are back now. They are back, and it's around 4 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, I'll be doing the surprising right now. I can see she's just seated outside there. Yeah, she likes just chilling outside and just basking and just having a good time. And we've been chilling together, but now that my phone is charged, we cannot do the surprising. So the reason why I got this gift from my grandma, we will open together because I'm outside. I don't know where I can place my phone. Let me just look for a place where I can place my phone so that I can show you the gift that you're going to give her. And then I give you the reason why I bought her this present. So let me just tell you before I even unpack it. So you see this dress that I'm wearing, this dera. We call it dera. I don't know what it's called in... I don't know what it's called in English. What do you call dera in English, by the way? Those people who really know good English. What do we call dera? And the lighting, let me add a little bit of lighting here. So where is it? Where is the lighting? Oh God, can I even see it? Like, my phone is so dark, I cannot even see. Okay, yeah. There we go. So guys, this is the dera that I'm wearing. Oh God, you're not going to see the full thing, are you? Clearly, you're not going to see the whole thing, but let me just do this. Oh, and just staying in the village is really nice. It's really therapeutic. This place is just chilled. No issues. No drama. Yeah. So the dress is like this. Oh God. Like, I have to go. Oh. It's just the sister to the one. It's the sister to the one I was wearing yesterday. It's the sister to the one I was wearing yesterday. Oh, he's not behind. The behind are not behind him. This is not even Dara. This is our Kanzu. But anyway, so guys, you've seen, and this is what I bought her. I bought her a similar dress. And the reason why I did this is because my grandma has always seen me in these Daras. And she has always told me to one day get her one. And I was like, you know what, let me grant her wish. Let me just grant her wish, Yeah, so this is the Dera. Let me quickly show you how it looks. This is how it looks. It's a maroon one. And it's really nice. I'm just going to wash it and iron it for her. It's quite big. You can see even this one is big. So what we do is, if you don't really want it this big, you can adjust it. You can just take it to the tailor and get it adjusted. So this is what I bought her. And I want to take it to her so that she can fit it, and then we see her reaction. So it's quite long. It's quite long. But yeah, this is what I brought her. So let's go. Let's go and see how she's going to react to it. Let's go. I feel so good. I don't know what's come over me. Yeah, and there are goats here and chicken and so many other things are just here. So you can see my grandma. I'm sure you can see her where she's seated. She's somewhere there. There. The corner there. Yeah, so that is where we're going right now. So let's go and see her reaction, how she's going to react to it. I don't know whether the light, okay, she has already seen. So let's go and give our grandma our gift. Yeah, kai kaku. Kare. Kai kaku ya kadura woni kabikende ne. Dura.
Nagwade.
Oh, dura kala kende ne. Kai kaku, ikaku.
No, do ta ko ni la ko ni.
Ya dura wani. Ndenda nkoringa arare kamutene. Nteka mukongorene. Ngotamburukirie. Let me stretch this. No, tôi đi nói con đi. Nói con đi cái à. Tôi đi cái nó mẹ cái là nói nó liều cái mẹ cái này. Tôi đi cái đấy à. Dạ, anh đây dạ quê tôi đi cái này à. So guys, she likes it so much. Hata con đi cái này à. Thế. So guys, that's my grandma. Say hi to my grandma. Say. They are the dog Linda. See guys how she looks so good. So that's it guys. We are done. We are so done now. She likes it. Uburu. Kabisa. So anyways, that's it. Bye. I guess I'll see in my next video. We've all seen her reaction. Okay, we've not really completely seen her reaction, but she likes it. I'll just have to cut huko chini for her down, and then it becomes a little bit shorter. But I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.